Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, it's going to be a quick one, but I'm going to show you how you could set any page on your website, any main page, to be your home page. So you can see here, I'm on my demo website and I'm in the pages panel. So if you're on the back end pages, I'm in here. And the way we set up any page to be home, like this says home, but it's not the home page because this little icon is living over here on this intro section. So we want to move that icon up here. Well, the way we do that is we go to the page that we want to make our home page and we click on the gear wheel. Once we click on that, we scroll down on this general tab, and at the very bottom, it says set as homepage. So you'll click on that. Are you sure? Once you hit confirm, it'll happen right away. And so that will be your new homepage, so that if I'm on like this design page and I click new client name, the brand name, the logo right there, it'll take me to the homepage. So that's how you set up your homepage. What's cool about this is you could do it for any type of page that you have here. You can't do it for like a specific product or a specific blog post, but you can do it for any main piece of content in here in the main navigation of the not link. So if it's a blog, a store, a portfolio, events thing, videos, any of those, or just a regular page, you can set it up that way. So I could go to the store here, click the gear wheel, go down here, set as home page. Any of the pages on your site, you could set as your home page. Friends, I have an important update to share with you. If you just watched this video, you got value from this video, you already know what to do, like, subscribe, all that stuff. I love recommending that because it tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy stuff. But what it tells me is that you got value from the content so that I could create more for you. But on top of that, there's this important update that we're doing, that we're launching, that is the most positive, engaging, and coolest place to be if you are an aspiring Squarespace designer. So if you are an aspiring, like I just said, Squarespace designer, this is for you. We have built a community. It is a paid community, but we've built a community that has these pricing tiers that you can get in on, where you can become a better designer in the next 3, 6, 12 months and have support. You could learn you could watch all these videos on your own. You could like read every article on the internet. But what I've learned is the best tips and tricks that I've learned as a designer have happened in community. Also, if you do the community or the coaching component that we offer, you're going to get direct access to someone like myself where I can help speak into issues or challenges you're facing. Having difficulty with a client, we could speak into that. Not sure if the site you just built is what you want to send to the client and you want feedback from people in the community, great place to be a part of it. All right. So there's a ton of value. Honestly, the list is like endless. There's so much value. If you are a designer, you will step up in process, in your flow. You will raise your prices. All of that will happen when you join this community because every designer I've worked with has raised their prices, has raised their standard, and has become a better designer. So definitely check out that link below. Again, like and subscribe this video if you got value from it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.